you to the 25th Annual Winter Walk for St. Margaret's House. Can you believe it? 25 years. Thank you for being here. So exciting that you're here to walk a mile in her shoes. Yes. I'm Deb Miles from B100. It's an honor to be here. Over the past 25 years of Winter Walk, we have walked almost 11,000 miles. Isn't that awesome? 11,000 miles. My Fitbit would have a fit. Raised more than $1.3 million, not including this year's walk. That's awesome. And thanks to 79 local business sponsors who I've been reading and on and off, and thousands of generous individuals just like you, this year's going to be another huge success for St. Margaret's House. Thank you again. On behalf of the women and children of St. Margaret's House, thank you all for being here. We appreciate you.